Center of Sacred Earth Connection. My adorable guest for you today is the beautiful pussy willow that you can see budding on all these branches that surround me here. I happen to be at the edge of the park where there's a lot of traffic, so you'll probably hear a lot of it in the background. So hopefully you can hear me over that noise. The reason I'm here is because I was guided here. Exactly a week ago today, I was having a nature hike, and as I was returning to the car in this parking lot, instead of following the road down, which was the quickest way, I was strongly nudged to actually go into another trail that loops all around a cliff and comes down this rocky ledge into the parking lot. And I'd been hiking for a while, but I just couldn't ignore this feeling that I had that I needed to go this other route. So I did. And as I was hiking down, I suddenly came face to face with this beautiful willow tree in blossom with all these fuzzy little buds known as pussy willows. And it so surprised me because this is February in Alaska, which means it's still winter, and it's really early for pussy willows to be out. So I totally did not expect this. And before I started this nature hike, I had asked Spirit and nature for a message that I could receive on my hike. And I always do that free of expectations. I simply open myself and perceive through my heart, which is crucial in perceiving messages, in opening your awareness to receiving messages. And you can receive messages in any environment, but they're clearer in nature when you know how to read them and how to receive them. They're just more obvious because there's less distraction. Of course, once you've practiced a lot in nature, then you can receive signs anywhere, and you will see them through the distraction of hyper busy artificial environments. So pussy willow is such a beautiful messenger also for me to bring to you about messages in nature. So as I started my nature hike into the forest, I suddenly saw a beautiful bald eagle soaring over me and just so gracefully flying above the mountain. And I hadn't seen one for at least a month. So that was very significant, and I really felt the message about movement and travel and going forward with everything that I've been receiving. So that in itself was such a powerful message for me to receive from one of my prominent spirit guides, Bald Eagle. And then when I was guided at the end of my hike to go on this other trail instead of finishing my hike immediately, it was such a delightful surprise for me to come face to face with these beautiful pussy willows that I had not expected for at least another month or more. And the message that I immediately received with them was to expect delightful surprises and to open to receiving these surprises. And the very next day, I received an invitation that really amazed me, an invitation to go spend time in California with a soul sister in an area that I had never heard of, and it's just so beautiful near a forest of redwoods. And her invitation specifically stated all expenses paid, and it was such a profound gift for me to receive, especially immediately after I had received these messages in nature from Spirit. It was so beautiful and powerful, and the manifestation of several heart desires that I'd had. And so the magic is infinite when you have that connection from your heart with nature and Spirit. And so the lesson for us from Pussy Willow was a reminder to always be open to receiving. You just never know when life is conspiring on your behalf to bring you things, and if we have closed hearts, we cannot receive them. And it can be the smallest thing or something incredibly beyond our wildest dreams, but everyone is so significant to our paths. And so our beautiful invitation for you today is to not hesitate to ask for support from Spirit and from nature. We're so connected to both from being human. We're the combination of the two. And so we have a natural ability to receive messages from both worlds and from all beings that inhabit those worlds. And we have so much support if we ask for it. So when you desire to have confirmations or extra support, just ask, and do so from your heart with love and appreciation, and then simply be open to receiving what is perfect for you. And it lets you know that you're not alone. It's easy for our hearts to know this, but every now and again there are times in our lives where it's nice to have that confirmation, that reassurance for our minds to know that we're always supported. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and know others who might benefit from it, do share. Wherever you are on our beautiful Mother Earth, I send you great love.